I'm here to see Mr. Hartog, Mr. Jan Hartog.
Come in. Get right in. Sit down. Yeah, right there. Sit down. I'll be in a second. God damn, son of a bitch. I don't know. No, I just don't know. Okay. Yeah. My heart over there on the floor.
Your heart?
My second heart. I mean, your first heart makes your blood circulate, right? But what about your lymphatic fluids?
Oh, I don't know.
Well, movement, walking, running, fucking, going on the floor, anything. People have this whole other system they don't even know about. The lymphatic system. It's like the blood system, its own style of veins and arteries, but no heart. You have to keep moving to get to circulate. And they've just given me pills. They do that every day, and I've got to move them through the lymphatic system. God damn it! Ah! Pardon my sweat. I take a bath real soon. So, Mr. Carveth, how'd you get my name?
Oh, my lawyer knows your lawyer.
Oh, I see. I get it. Is your lawyer preparing a case against Raglan too?
Basically, yes. Slightly different from yours.
Yeah? How different?
Well, my wife is still in therapy with Raglan. I'm claiming psychological damage, not physiological.
Oh, I see. Well, give him some more time with your wife, and you'll be able to claim physiological damage, too. Wouldn't this look impressive in court? Hmm? Do you like it? I do. That's Raglan. That's psychoplasmics. It's called lymphosarcoma. And it's spreading. It's a form of cancer of the lymphatic system.
You blame Raglan for that?
Oh, Raglan did it. I mean, Raglan encouraged my body to revolt against me, you know, and it did. Now, I have a small revolution on my hands, and I'm not putting it down very successfully.
Then your lawyer really thinks he can prove Raglan's responsible.
Are you kidding me? You can't prove anything like that in court. I mean, right from square one, you're into what? Metaphysics. I mean, how do you know I'm not going to get cancer at age 32, whether I've gone into psychoplasmics therapy or not? No. We get laughed out of court.
Well, then why are you going into court?
Revenge. Yeah, revenge. Even if we lose, people get nervous about psychoplasmics. It will be bad publicity. You know? They won't even remember whether we won or lost. They'll just remember the slogan. Psychoplasmics can cause cancer. Catchy, huh? Is that gonna help?
Maybe.
I'm not alone, you know. I mean, I'm in touch with a lot of people who did psychoplasmics. We might form a club. I want to help you.
Okay, thanks.